Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified of new recipes. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's Cooking Diaries. Today we are going to make coconut mava barfi. Very simple and very quick and easy to make dessert recipe with very minimal ingredients. So let's see how to make it. So now first in a blender jar I have taken 2 heaped cups of fresh coconut which is scraped freshly, and now I am going to pulse it for few seconds without adding any water. I am doing this step just to get the uniform texture in the coconut, so don't add any water and churn it for few seconds. Here I have taken a kadai in which I am going to cook the barfi. So I am taking out all the coconut from the mixie jar into the kadai. Now next I am going to add sugar. I have 1.5 cups of sugar with me, that is 1.5 cup of sugar. You can increase or decrease according to your taste. Add gradually. Next I am going to add 1 cup of khova. It's approximately 200 grams of khova. Mix it well, cover it and rest it for 30 minutes so that everything blends well and khova and sugar melts a little. Now 30 minutes are over and I am switching on the gas on very low flame. I am stirring it continuously for 5 minutes or until the sugar melts and khova also melts and blends well. Now after 5 minutes you can see that khova and sugar is completely melted. Mixture has become smooth, thin and little runny. Now at this stage I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. I am adding it just for taste and aroma. You can skip it. Next I am going to add 1/4 cup of chopped almonds. You can use any other dry fruits of your choice or you can completely avoid the dry fruits. Now mix everything well. Continue to cook for 10 more minutes until you get the mixture together or until the mixture leaves out the pan and it becomes little thick. After 15 minutes, you can see that the mixture has become little thick and it has come to a halwa kind of consistency and it is leaving the sides of the pan. When you get this kind of consistency, switch off the flame and next add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder to it. Here you can also substitute cardamom powder with the saffron milk, a tablespoon of saffron milk. Mix it well. Now here I have a tray lined with baking paper and greased well with ghee. If you don't have a tray like this or butter paper like this, you can simply take a steel plate and grease well with ghee. Now take out all the mixture into the greased tray or a greased plate. Now spread it evenly throughout the plate. Let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will mark the pieces on it. Now 15 minutes are over and I have taken out the barfi from the mold. It is still warm. When it is still warm, we are going to mark the pieces on it. Just cut it lightly with any knife or any cutter like this. And let it cool down completely for 1 to 2 hours. And then you can take out the pieces and pieces are ready to serve. Now here you can see beautiful pieces of barfis are ready to be served. You can serve it immediately or you can store it in an airtight container for 4 to 5 days at room temperature, or you can keep it in the fridge also. Please do try this simple, quick and easy recipe and comment me below how it turns out for you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and like and share my videos as much as possible. I will meet you here again with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and happy cooking.